Excel Church? Have you joined us in maybe the last 6 months or so? Well, we'd love to get to know you. So if you want to get to know the leaders here and the vision for this church, then why don't you join us for a coffee night at Costa? We're going to be meeting at the Keyway Junction 1 at 6 p.m. on Thursday the 23rd of January. So make a note in your diary. And if you want to come, sign up online for that. And if you want more information, speak to one of the leaders, Dan or Def, and they'll give you more information. We'd love to see you there for a free coffee and chat.
I was thinking that we could talk about it. Stay up until the storm is weathered. I was thinking that.
Oh, you know what this means? Worship auditions are coming this month at Excel Church. So if you are musical like me, of course, then why don't you try out an audition to join the amazing worship team here at Excel Church? It's going to be happening on Sunday the 19th of January at 3 p.m. here. So make sure you free up that time. You can sign up online, and if you're interested and want more information, then just have a conversation with Dan and he'll tell you everything you need to know. So think about it, worship auditions for 2025.
On time, we'll turn this back around. Scattered to the wind, we're down, but we're not out. Strengthened by the storm.
So guys, Christmas is over, but the frost is still here, and that means our weekly activities are all back at church. That means kids, youth and toddlers activities are all back. So guys, check out online what's going on here at Excel Church.
We could fight about it, 'cause in the end, we'll stand together. Staying up all night with me, honey. Staying up all night. I was thinking that we could talk.
So that's all for Excel News, but don't forget that this Wednesday is starting our release, which is where we give people, the next generation, the opportunity to be leaders, to do Bible studies, to worship, to do MCing here on a Wednesday night for prayer and Bible study. So join us for that on an evening, and have a great week, guys.